thought of having a staycation na wala masyado activities.
Okay, so it is almost 11 p.m. and kanina ko pa gusto gawin tong gagawin ko, pero ewan ko, lately yung focus ko tsaka yung attention span ko parang nagfa-fluctuate siya.
What is happening?
Before anything else, I wanna show this package. This was delivered a while ago. It's from a brand called Enya. And they make really pretty towels na reversible. Perfect for my trip tomorrow. It's really thick. This is really nice. Ay, ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda ng material niya. This is what it looks like. Hello guys, so we have arrived here in Tagaytay, and the first thing na gagawin namin is we're gonna eat here sa Zushimi.
Kinakain na natin sa sa dapitan na
Sa dapitan. Meron na to
Hindi,
sa
Maseda.
Maseda. Nakita ko rin to sa Baguio, guys. Kaso wala, parang ang cute. May overlooking. Anyway, medyo nababad trip ako sa akin kasi naiwan ko yung tripod ko. Okay, so we ordered gyudon, karage, black sesame ramen, and spicy salmon.
Salmon lobster.
Salmon lobster sushi. Okay, we are here. Meron pala silang isa pang version, yung Rafi's way. And para siyang house talaga na, ayun, basta buong house. Ito kasi parang, it's more of a hotel. Let's do a quick room tour. The CR. It's just beside the door. Tada! Ang ganda ng CR. Rack dito for the clothes. Dito naman merong counter. And nandito na lahat. Merong ref, merong safe. Dito maghuhugas. May microwave, may induction. And all of the glasses, the utensils, yung mga pangluto. Nandun na sila sa ilalim. Okay, so lahat nasa isang counter na. And then here's what the bed looks like. Buti may ganito para hindi mo masyado feel na ang lapit mo doon. Pero ang ganda ng colors, ang aliwalas. Sa likod naman yan, nandito ang ating living room area. A glass table, a TV, here's the aircon, lights, and parang fan. Ito yung mga gamit namin ni guards. Tapos, this is the dining. This is the best part. Ang laki ng balcony namin. Hello everyone! We are finally here at Rafi's Way. And sabi ko kanina, naiwan ko yung tripod ko sa bahay. So, super last minute, naghanap ako ng nagbibenta ng tripod, second hand, sa Facebook Marketplace. Kasi obviously, pag binili ko to sa Shopee or sa Lazada, hindi na naabot ngayon. So, buti na lang may nakita ko nagbibenta, malapit lang siya. This is gonna be helpful. It's not just for tonight. So, anyway, here's the tripod. And hindi ko lang matiis na hindi ako magkaroon ng tripod kasi parang mas ma-appreciate yung vlog if may stand. Guys, kasi nung nasa bahay kami, siya yung nagbaba ng luggage ko tsaka nung isa kong bag. Tapos sabi ko, ako na nasa tripod. Tapos nung nakaalis na kami, hindi ko na-realize na hindi ko pala nadala yung tripod ko. Hindi na lang, may nakita ako na nagbibenta ng second hand. Tapos taga Silang Cavite lang siya. So it's just a few kilometers away from here. Ganda din yung quality ng tripod na to. Actually, ano to eh, yung mga binibenta sa mall. I only got it for 750. Para maganda ang vlog natin today. So, ayan. Lumalamig na ba? Lumalamig na. Wag tanggalin ko ba sa bag niya? Wait. Okay, so we ordered Australian ribeye. Sa San Juan sila located. We're gonna cook that later. So I just brought with me the candles that I have sa room ko. And we're gonna place it later sa aming dining table.
We used to have each other's
Hi! God is awake.
Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still
Okay, this is
in
the view dito sa
mine.
roofdeck.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think.
Let us buy some groceries for the steak and for dinner. Ito na lang, I'm sure na masarap. I like the pink one. Masarap to. Light lang. Okay, it is time to cook. Our menu for tonight is chicken alfredo and steak. What am I gonna do?
Pwede mo yung mga ano? Spatula.
Spatula.
Good thing.
Ang dami naman. Damn, that's a lot. Welcome to Chelsea and Gajal's kitchen. First step for the chicken alfredo is to heat the water. We're adding salt and pepper for the taste. What are you cooking? Tell us.
Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. So our chicken alfredo is done. It smells really good. Wow. Sarap. Yum. Our steak is cooked. It is now time to eat. So, kahit yung lighter ko, dinala ko.
Good morning, everyone. Our breakfast is here. Umorder na lang kami ng breakfast para hindi na kami ma-hassle. Kat's ordered hummus. And I ordered kapsalon. Instant coffee muna tayo for today. Great taste and culture buns. Dami. Parang ang dami, no? Parang ang tamis. Konti sagad ko. Sige, kay Gads naman to. Okay, so time check. It's 9:46 and I'm just doing my makeup so we can take advantage of the place kasi maganda yung view, so we're gonna take photos. For my blush, I'm gonna be using a Co in the shade Milkshake. Another blush. This is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Fierce. Ganda na ito. And then just a little bit of highlight. Ubus na to. So my makeup is done. We're just gonna take some photos. Tapos mag-check out. Medyo maaga yung check out dito, 11 a.m. Let me show you my outfit of the day. So this is my outfit. Okay, so I changed my top kasi na-comfy. But, the same as last year, umuulan na. Okay pa kayo? Oh no! Update, umuulan na. Na-realize ko, parang usually pag anniversary namin ni Gads, umuulan talaga. Parang pag May 16 onwards. Last year din umulan eh. Tapos naalala ko yung isa sa mga anniversary namin, yung sa may Taste of LA. Medyo matagal yun, parang siguro mga 3rd year anniversary namin. Basta maulan nun sobra, nababasa kami sa jeep. Naalala ko, suot ko nun yung Stan Smith na hiniram ko sa kuya ko. Tapos naka-dress pa ako. Tapos hinahanap namin yung Taste of LA sa Tomas Morato. Actually, last minute lang namin na-plano yung anniversary kasi hindi kami makapag-plano talaga kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. Anyway, nandun si Gats. Hinihintay lang niya yung Hintay lang na ibalik yung security deposit namin. Currently, it's 11:16 a.m. Punta kami sa second location namin. And yun yung parang pinaka-excited ako kasi sobrang ganda nung nakita kong lugar. Lakas ng ulan! Ganun. Grabe, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Are you okay?
I'm happy.
Maulan kasi talaga. Mag-coffee muna tayo. What are we gonna do?
Mag-grocery kami.
We are at...
Robinson Supermarket, Tagaytay.
That's all.
Tawa.
I can't figure out how it all comes down. How it all comes down.
This vlog is coming to an end. And yeah, we just celebrated our 9th anniversary ng mas maaga. Isang araw lang na maaga. And ayun, last year kasi nag-staycation din kami. But it felt parang bitin. Tas parang nagmamadali kami. Kasi yung checkout, diba? Usually parang 11 or 12. So, feeling namin parang mas okay. Or parang mas masaya siguro pag mas matagal. Parang 3 days and 2
So, we're
nights.
here at Kakao Studios Cafe. And maulan kasi ngayon, so hindi kami makadine in dito sa mga tables. So, we're just sitting there. Or maybe we'll move sa second floor. Pero, it's nice here. Ang ganda dito siguro pag di umuulan. Luwag.
Honestly, when I was younger, or hindi man younger, parang a few years ago, hindi ko talaga ma-appreciate yung parang thought of having a staycation na wala masyado activities. Yung parang nandun ka lang sa isang kwarto, tapos nagpapahinga. Parang ganong klaseng staycation. Hindi ko yun ma-appreciate. Parang nasa isip ko, minsan na nga lang umalis. Maganda yung madaming activities. Yung parang magbo-boat, mag-jet ski, snorkeling. But now that I'm getting older, now that we're approaching our mid-20s, na-appreciate ko na bigla yung mga ganitong staycation. Kasi parang binabagalan niya yung oras. Kinakalimutan mo lang muna yung mga bagay-bagay and you're just enjoying the quiet. And ayun, wala. Yun lang yung gusto ko sabihin. I'm really happy we celebrated our anniversary like this. So yun, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!